guilty. Catch him, he's 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 guilty.
Since we're in the Valley of Justice, we need to serve justice. Let's start.
You mean, is the monster guilty or not?
The monster is guilty, 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 a scaly guy.
See him and I run far, there's fire in his eyes.
He enters a village, peaceful village, where no one steals and lies. Steals our good food, good food, good food.
At least he tries.
He wrecks the village.
Wrecks the village?
We could have died.
We run to catch him, catch him, catch him.
3 warriors try.
They bravely catch him, catch him. They're not scared to die.
Why'd you do it, hungry monster? And why do you cry?
I grew up in a forest of trees. Flowers, they bloomed tall. Animals roamed free. Then one dark night, some villagers surrounded my family. They came with axes. They axed down our trees. The animals fled then, and food, it disappeared. And I stay hungry. That's why I am here.
The monster is wrong though. Yes, he is. He stole and caused a fright.
But why did he steal? Friends, think about this. Was cutting trees right?
It's against the law, but it's the law. He should go to jail.
Who made the law? But yeah, who made it? And who does it fail?
The monster didn't earn it. No, he did. So justice must be served.
But who protects the hungry, starving people? Who says who deserves?
This is black and white, friends. Justice must be done. We've nothing left to say.
This isn't black and white, friends. Isn't black and white.
The monster story is great.